Yes, well, here we are. Back in the poor man's shop. What we got going on here today is our cylinder once again. I want to drill and tap 1/4 inch deep. Tap them a 1/4 28 for our cylinder head plate. So let me try to switch you around here so you can see what's going on. Perhaps. That's probably good. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, anyway. Let's see. Not quite enough room with the vise in the way. Take the vise off. Yeah, let's just swing that out of the way altogether. Our power cord out of the way. Brush off our table. Have a nice flat surface. Let me see here. Get some steel wool here. A little bit of oil and junk build up there. Get her nice and clean. Ow. Well, that hurt. Just smacked my knuckle. That's fine. There we are. Let's see here now. Oh yeah. That looks good. Okay, what we gotta do here. We gotta pick a place for this to sit. Real nice. Which I would suggest is right there. Then all we do is remove one of our socket head cap screws. Use one of our new punches I got from Brian. Need a 1/4 inch. That's right here. Oh yeah, fits in real nice. Just gonna put a mark in there. beautiful. That worked out real nice. Okay. Now what we got to do is set this up, say for a quarter 28 thread here. They recommend a 7/32 tap hole size. Well, that's fine if you're working in steel or brass or anything. But if it's PVC, you're going to run into problems because it's a slop fit, you know. I mean, it's just a little wiggly. I don't want that. I want it really, really tight because there's not a lot of thread depth. And I want as many threads in that quarter-inch hole as possible. And I want them as deep as possible. So when you're working with PVC, it's best to go down a drill size. So I go down to 13/64, which is just the next one down from 7/32. And that should give me a nice tight hole for this tap, my bottom tap that I have. Another thing I wanted to say about working with the PVC is if you're sanding it, wear a respirator or a dust mask. I mean, that powder, that PVC powder, you don't want to be breathing that in. Kind of learned that the hard way, cutting all that trim outside and stuff. I forgot to put one on when I was sanding this stuff. And I could taste it for a couple days. No matter how much I brushed my teeth or gargled, I could still taste it and smell it in my nose and my, oh man. So anyhow, wear respiratory protection. Okay, so now set that there. Let me see how she looks. Looks very nice. Okay, let's get our stop readjusted out of our way, really. Gotta go way up. I had to tighten this collar down on this depth gauge. It's getting a little sloppy for some reason. I don't know. It's not the best. I just used plastic on the Mastercraft here. I got a nice steel bolt, but a plastic capturing device that goes around the quill of the drill press. Let's see, where are we at here? Okay, that's just about. Let me see. Just want to touch here. Okay. So from that spot, I'm going to say that's our touch. Okay. We're going to go up. Eighth. That would be a quarter, right there. Well, that's more than a quarter. See there. Not quite accurate on there. I could go a little deeper. Let's try that. Drills in there. Okay. Let me plug her in. Drill chuck down. Take a look here. Oh, very nice. Okay, I would say that kind of split the line, don't you? That worked out nice, right where I wanted that. So now what we gotta do, get our tap going here. Here's our bottom tap. We're gonna begin and end with this. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't have a tap wrench at the moment. It's lost. I'll find it though. And so we'll do it this way. We gotta keep it straight, keep it very straight. Don't want it wandering off. Let's get it started for a couple threads here and take a look how straight we are. Oh, there we are. Gotta be careful here. I don't have a whole lot of meat to work with, so any mistakes now, we're in trouble. Okay. Break the chip. I really don't think it's necessary in the PVC, but habit. Alright, I think we're there. Take a look. Yeah, that went down pretty good. Lots of chips on that. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Looks pretty good. Let's try our bolt. Alright, very nice. Now, what we can do, this is where this register comes into play. That holds it from twisting out of position there. And then this first bolt will, of course, keep it captured down. Get the right wrench here. I believe this is it, yeah. You don't want to crank on this. This is just PVC, so. Oh, wait a minute. Damn it. You didn't tell me I didn't have it all the way in. Or did I mess up the hole? Oh. No, we're good. We're good. Gotta make sure, you know. Trying to ride up. I could have used a bigger clearance hole if I wanted, but I think we're alright. Well, that was stupid. I just put a divot in there. Son of a gun. That's alright. We'll sand that out. Okay. Looks nice. Looks nice. Now, I can pull the rest of these out. And it's already in position. I'll go ahead and mark the rest of these. And let's see. I'll just drill and same thing, just mark them, drill them. We should be good to go. So I'll just, let's, I don't know, it's, okay. Let me see. All right. Be right back. I got a pizza in order. I'll be back.